coherence therapy. And this is where we develop negative schemas in our brains. What happens is, as a child, you are interacting with adults, with other parties, and you develop negative schemas in your own brain. So he's been working with me on playing back those memories of negative things that have happened, and then working through the process of going, okay, cool, this happened. And you go back into when it happened as a child and how you felt at that point. And then you have to go through and realize, as an adult, I can look back on that and see this is why that happened. And this is how I process this. What you're doing is you're juxtaposing your adult logic against the child logic. So the coherence therapy, it's a meditative practice where you just think about that memory and then you realize the negative schema and then you superimpose the positive on top of that and say, okay, as an adult, I'm going to look back on this childhood memory, impose this adult logic to that framework, and then that helps me grow as a person and develop. And then we use these meditative practices to fill in the gaps artificially in our minds and help our brains to grow. And then through that process, through neuroplasticity, we're rewiring things in our brain. And so that was another thing that he's been working on with me, coherence therapy.
Nice.
It's been educational.